In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use MyTVOnline2. So you can see right here your actual MyTV, and here is it right here. I have in here this article that can help us. You can go over first to this article, and you can see that you can access this by opening the MyTV Online, launching the app from your device, and navigating the channel list. You can do this by going over to the menu button and selecting a channel marked with a catch-up icon. From there, you can choose a program and start the playback right there. You can also customize your experience by fast forward or rewinding and adjusting the playback speed as well as subtitles and audio. So here are some tips. You need to ensure that your internet connection is stable, that all channels support catch up, and you can use the timeline navigation to quickly jump to specific parts of the program. So in there, you can actually just use this in order to use a My Online CV2, and in here, you can see everything that you can actually utilize. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.